Hello and welcome back to the Vac Mat. Today we're going to be comparing three premium cordless vacuums. All of these machines are over £250 and we're going to be putting them to the test to see if these three can replace uprights as claimed. So let's see what we're testing out today. Today we're going to be testing the Shark Duo Clean IF160 cordless vacuum cleaner. We're also going to be testing the Dyson V11 Absolute and the Gtec Air Ram K9 with the multi K9 included. The Dyson V11 is £500 but it can be picked up for around £600 when it's not on sale. The Shark is around £450 and the Gtec Air Ram is around £299 with the multi included. The Dyson comes in at 3.7 kilograms, the Gtec comes in at 3.9 kilograms, and the Shark comes in at 6.9 kilograms, so that's the heaviest of the lot. So without any further ado, let's see how these machines perform and what one is really the best, and if any of them can replace a plug-in. For the carpet test, we knew all of these machines would pick up the dirt. It was just a case of how long it took them. As they're all above £300, we decided we'd put down our extreme mess test, consisting of lots of dirt such as oats, lentils, rice, salt, Cheerios and artificial dog and cat hair. This gave us a good idea of what machines were the best. With the Shark, it spent a lot of time struggling with the dog hair. On the other surfaces, it did go quite well. However, the Duo brush rollers kept the dirt wrapping around it, and this meant that it was spread around quite a lot. Eventually, after quite a bit of time, it picked it all up. However, this wasn't a very impressive result, especially with its hefty price tag and claims that it can out-clean some big uprights. We found this to be quite disappointing, so this machine came in last place. Next up was the Gtec Air Ram and Multi Combo. We tested both of these as they come in at just under £299. This is our best value on test and we really liked them. The combo meant that the bin size was split between two machines though, so we did have to take a trip to the bin with the Gtec Air Ram on the carpet. Taking this out as it was an extreme mess test and we had lots of dirt, we found that the Gtec performed very well. It picked up the pet hair with ease, and also the way that there was no need to change cleaner heads or settings made it an absolute breeze. So this machine did quite well. Apart from emptying it frequently, we found it to be really good. It just wasn't as effective as the Dyson. So this machine came in second place. Onto the Dyson V11. This is our most expensive machine in test, but wow, it blew away the competition. It cleaned the dirt so much quicker than the Shark, and it didn't require emptying like the Gtec did. As it didn't require emptying, it did take a fair bit shorter time and got everything up. It didn't struggle with anything from the pet hair to the large particles and picked it all up with ease, not pushing anything or rubbing it deeper into the carpet. The superb auto adjustment also meant, again, there was no need to change settings. Next up was our hard floor test, where we caked the floor in things you generally spill in a kitchen. In first place came the Dyson V11. It gobbled up all of the mess and didn't snowplow any. It was followed by the Gtec Air Ram and Shark Duo Clean, which both came in joint second. The Shark got up all of it again. However, when we lifted it afterwards, a heck of a lot fell out. The Gtec did snowplow a little bit, however nothing fell out at the end and it didn't fill again. This was quite an impressive result, especially for the bargain price of £299 compared to the £600 and £490 of the Shark and Dyson. These machines all did great on hard floor. It's worth noting that the Shark doesn't have a feature where you can remove or stop the brush roll completely, so this might not be suitable for very delicate hard floors. With the Dyson, you can put on the soft fluffy roller and take off the aggressive brush roll. This is ideal for them soft floors, and with the Gtec you can remove the roller altogether and just use its suction to clean the floors. The Crevice pickup test really showed up these machines' performance. In first place, blowing away the competition really was the Dyson. Its amazing fluffy head with seal and great suction power showed up here. Next was the Gtec. It performed quite well, picking up about 50% of the dirt. However, this did mean that it left quite a bit around the edges, but this was not as bad as the Shark. It left basically all of the salt. None of it was removed, which was very disappointing, especially as it's claimed to in its advert. So if you've got floors with crevices, this isn't going to be suitable for them, which is a shame. Onto the pet hair on the sofa test. We tested all of the machines with their supplied nozzle. The Shark didn't unfortunately come with a brush bar for the sofa, so we ended up using the soft dusting brush, which is the only supplied tool suitable for sofas. Next up was the Gtec and Dyson, which were tied in first place. Both did an exceptional job and will both be fabulous for deep cleaning sofas. We liked the way with the Gtec you had two machines, so you weren't using the same machine on the sofa as the hard floor. On to filtration now, where the Shark came in second place, the Dyson came in first, and the Gtec, however, is not suitable for allergy sufferers, as it failed quite poorly. The Gtec puffed out a lot of smoke compared to the other two. The Shark did puff out a small bit of smoke around one of the seals, but it was nowhere near as much as the Gtec, and the Dyson kept everything in, which was an exceptional result. The Shark isn't recommended for allergy sufferers either, as a small amount did fall out when we were using it. For runtime, the Dyson V11 and Gtec Air Ram both tied. This is a complicated one, as all machines have different settings. We tested all of these machines in their carpet mode, with the carpet brush roll on, and on low suction power. The Gtec and Multi we gave a combined runtime, as they come as a package as the Gtec Combo. Both of these machines scored a total of 74 minutes and 39 seconds. This is very good, and just a small amount less than the Dyson V11, which costs double the price. The Dyson V11 scored a whopping 76 minutes. That's enough to clean your home about 4 times before it needs recharging. Also, its cool LCD display allowed us to know when it was going to run out, change modes, and also adapt the machine to different tasks. The Shark, however, didn't last as long as it was claimed. The claimed 50 minutes of runtime was disappointing. It only got 29 minutes on low suction with the brush roll running. This was really disappointing, and under half of what the Gtec and Dyson got. Our last test was what accessories the machines come with. The Shark came with an accessory pack of 3. Rather disappointingly, it did not come with a turbo brush, so we were not able to remove the pet hair from our sofa. The Dyson was a fabulous machine for accessories, coming with an allergy dusting tool, a standard dusting tool, a tool for gobbling up bits on the worktops and around edges, a crevice tool, and a motorised turbine brush. The Gtec was a close second, however. It didn't come with an allergy brush, but it came with a normal, standard dusting brush, crevice tool, and motorised nozzle. So, after all our tests are complete, we can finally conclude our 2 winners. We've got the Gtec Air Ram, which has had amazing runtime, and especially for the price, it's a fabulous pick. The Dyson V11 did have the edge, however, with its more power, performance, and amazing filtration. But if you're looking for a lower priced alternative, the Gtec is definitely a great choice. However, we weren't too impressed with the Shark. It seemed to do quite badly in every category, picked up poorly. The filtration was its only saving point. However, for the price, we'd have expected a lot more. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out our other social channels. For links of these vacuums we've reviewed today, please check out the description below. Bye for now. Ta-ra!
Yes, there we go.